NFT or non-fungible token, which exists on blockchain, is among the hottest asset classes and investment ideas of the century. Non-fungible refers to something which is unique and can't be replaced with something else. Unlike Bitcoin, which is fungible and you can trade one Bitcoin for another one, NFTs are one-of-a-kind trading cards which once traded for a different card, then the owner would have something completely different. While NFTs can be anything digital, such as music, digital art, and even your brain downloaded and turned into an artificial intelligence, a lot of the current excitement is around using the technology to sell digital art. Purchasing an NFT is the digital equivalent of buying a rare, signed first edition of a famous novel or artwork. There might be plenty of other editions, copies, or even free versions around, but the original rare item holds an inherent value. A famous example is singer Grimes, who sold artwork as NFTs for the sum of $5.8 million in just 20 minutes. And in the world of digital sports, fans of basketball have spent around $230 million trading NBA Top Shot cards as NFTs, with one LeBron James highlight going for $200 million. Investments in NFTs climbed 299% last year as investors and digital collectors flooded into the market. Platforms such as Nifty Gateway, which Grimes used to sell her artwork, allow buyers to buy NFTs using their credit cards. On the other hand, other platforms such as Valuables, which Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey is using to sell his first ever tweet, only accepts payments in cryptocurrency.